What if I told you that you could unlock 16,000 live channels, every single premium sports network, and over 50,000 movies, all for less than the cost of a single large pizza? Hey, what's up, guys? If you are still paying $150 a month for a cable bill, you are getting absolutely robbed. Today, I am going to show you the ultimate 2026 cord-cutting Firestick setup. We are going to bypass the sketchy, buffering free apps, and I am going to show you how to install a premium zero-buffer TV replacement. Let's get right into it. Look, if you clicked on this video, you are probably tired of searching for free streaming apps. We all know how that story ends. You find a free app, you invite your friends over for the massive UFC fight or the Super Bowl, and right when the main event starts, boom, the spinning loading circle of death. Free apps use public servers. When 1 million people try to watch the same game, the server crashes. If you want a flawless 4K cable-like experience, you need a private server. You need the VIP lane, and that is exactly what I am using right now. It is called Pulse IPTV. Let me show you why Pulse IPTV is completely taking over in 2026. First, they have antifreeze technology. They run on premium global servers with a 99% uptime. This means when the biggest pay-per-view events happen, your stream stays locked in crystal clear high definition, no buffering. Second, the library is insane. You get over 16,000 live channels, every local news station, every premium movie network, and a dedicated 24/7 sports package. No more regional blackouts. And it completely replaces Netflix and Hulu. They have a built-in video-on-demand section with over 50,000 movies and TV series updated daily. Let me show you exactly how easy this is to set up on your Firestick. It takes less than 3 minutes. Step 1. Go to your Firestick home screen, click the search icon, and download the official Orange Downloader app. Step 2. Go to your Firestick settings, click My Fire TV, open Developer Options, and turn Install Unknown Apps to On for Downloader. Pro tip, if Developer Options is hidden, click About and tap your Fire TV name 7 times fast. Step 3. Open Downloader and install a premium player like IPTV Smarters or Tivimate. Now, how do you unlock the channels? Grab your phone right now and go to the official website, pulseiptv.ltd. When you check out securely, their team instantly emails you your VIP login, your username, password, and portal URL. Open your Tivimate or Smarters player, click Login with Xtream Codes API, type in those exact details from your email, and hit Add User. Now, let's talk about the price, because this is where Pulse IPTV completely destroys traditional cable. You can grab a 1-month plan for just $14, but if you want the absolute best value on the entire internet, look at their 1-year family deal. You can get annual access for up to 5 devices for only $170 total. Guys, that covers 5 different TVs or phones in your house for an entire year for the price of 1 month of a cable bill. It is an absolute no-brainer, and they even have a 7-day money-back guarantee. It is time to step into the VIP lounge. Head over to pulseiptv.ltd right now, grab that 5-device annual deal, and completely change the way you watch TV. I have put the direct link at the very top of the description and pinned it as the first comment down below. If this setup helped you cut the cord today, absolutely destroy that thumbs up button and subscribe for more cord-cutting secrets. Drop a comment below. What is the first 4K movie you are going to watch on your new setup? I will see you in the next one.